Here in front of me, I've got from the Moreart store an M-Cool simple assembly. I like that. Parking stand in gray. There are different colors. How many colors? Well, you have to check the Moreart store, and we're going to find out how simple assembly it is. Let's do this. Hey, hello everyone. Let's start with the unboxing and see what is in the package. Here we can open it. And all these folders. And I think we also have we have an instruction manual. I like that. Anything more? Nope, that's it. How simple is it? One, two, three, 4, 5, ready. Oh, yeah, that looks very simple. So we got these parts over here. Then we got this for the connection and this for make another level. So let's start with these. I think, yeah, 4 next together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to connect that doesn't fit, right? No. Ah! Wake up. Wake up. So I think we have to do it like this. Yes. That's it. That's it. I have to do it with both my hands and not one. Oh. There we go. Et voila. And then I'm going to do another one. And I'm going to place it. I think it's better if I use another. I'm going to use this tripod right here. Sorry for the amateuristic work, but now you know this is no AI. Okay, then I'm going to do this. And I know it says that I have to use 2, right? Yeah, 2. Not going to do that. Why should I use 2? And the cool thing is that you can order another set and make it as big as you want. Okay. Yes. I don't get it. Oh, I have to do it like this. Yeah. So you have this is up, this is down. Voila. Very relaxing. It's also pretty strong plastic, made out of good quality. Okay. And we're going to place another level on top. And another one. Oh no, I'm doing it right. I'm doing it right. There we go. And I think I have to use this one again. One is enough, in my opinion. And the next one on top. I'll show you the end result. I think we now get it, how it works. Time for the last layer. I'm surprised there are so many layers. I was expecting like 2, maybe 3. I was not expecting to be this much. And it's actually very easy to assemble, like it was saying on the package. So I think I'm going to be very positive about this diecast car storage. Last one. And then we're going to do this. That's a little bit difficult to see now. It's dead high. And the last one. And then I have to make sure the top one is extra strong. Perfect, and it is also very strong. Looks very nice. I like this color. And you can order another one. Make it much wider, higher, whatever you want. I like it. Let's put some cars in it. Let's start with a big one. This one right here. I think it's from Mazda. Not 100% sure. It can also be a different brand. But let's test it if it will fit. This is 1/64 scale. No, a little bit too big. But you can place it on top. That is possible. But this one is pretty big. Pretty big. Let's test another one. This one. Mazda. Yep, no problem for this one. Let's see what we got here. Let's place them all in. We got the easy. And then we got this one right here. Also pretty big. I used it on the beach, so the wheels aren't rolling anymore. Yeah, no problem. How about this one? This one is also pretty big. Volkswagen Racing Surface from Moreart. No problem at all. How about this one? Let's see. No. Yeah, it might be possible if you put some pressure on it, but this one is also for on top. How about this one, a van? No, van also needs to go on top. Yeah, this one is possible. There we go. No, also not possible. It's for on top. V-dub, possible. How about this one? possible. Absolutely. And which one is also nice? This one is nice. The VTEC. Gave it a license plate. Yeah. And this one is also going to be possible. No problem. How about this one? Should be possible. Yep. Excellent. I also like that it has this here, so the car won't come back. Oh. Be careful, be careful. X-Car toys. No problem. This one is also pretty big, with the opening part. Yep. Possible. How about this food truck? No, food truck on top. How about this one? Perfect. Is there another one? How about this one? Matchbox. Focus. Yeah. Humvee? No, not possible. Let's try this one. This one is also pretty big. Ooh, tight fit. But it's possible. Yeah, I like it a lot. This is very handy, and I also like that you can make it bigger if you order more. Definitely positive about this very handy storage for Diecast cars. I'm going to give it a nice place here in the display cabinet, and I'll show you the result. So I did it like this. I got lots of new room now for more Diecast cars. Oh, I even got a place left. Yeah, highly recommend it. Definitely worth the money. I think it's around 18 euro. But quality is good. ID is good. Definitely a must-have for a Diecast collector. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with more Diecast. Bye!